everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Ming. Today our goal is to free you from most of the conventional cleaners because today you're going to make a natural all-purpose cleaner that can do it all. Let's get started.
Let's do it!
The natural all-purpose cleaner that can do it all. It is very useful and it is very simple. It is a soap spray. I have explained the why soap can do so much in the video, the only 2 cleaners that you need. You can check it out if you haven't.
I am the founder as well as the cleaner for my cleaning company, Soda&Soap. So all the recipes I show here are what I actually use at work, and the results are loved by my customers.
You will need to use a pure soap, which is oil or fat, reacting with an alkaline solution. So you can use like Marseille soap or castile soap or a traditional laundry soap from your country. Please don't use the beauty soap because they contain excessive oil to prevent your skin from drying out. That's why they don't clean well.
I usually use the liquid castile soap for the reason that it is the fastest way to prepare. I need to top up this spray frequently due to my cleaning work, so I want it to be as easy and as fast as possible.
We're going to make a bottle of 600 ml. Here's the recipe for the liquid soap.
A tablespoon of castile soap, and then top up with water to 600 ml. That's simple.
If you're using a solid soap, here's the recipe.
Grate the soap. Scoop a tablespoon of it. Melt the soap with boiling water. Then top up with cold water to 600 ml.
If you have soap flakes, you will save some time grating. When you use solid soap, the texture tends to be lumpier than using liquid soap. But it has its own charm because it's a slower process of making and you will use less plastic bottles. Whether you choose solid soap or liquid soap to make your spray, the cleaning effect is the same. The only difference is the texture of your spray and the time you need to make the spray. You can also add essential oil into your spray because soap is surfactant that can combine oil to water. With that being said, I have never added any scent into my spray because real cleaning shouldn't smell like anything. The only way to smell nice is to clean properly.
You can use this spray to clean oily places like stove, countertop, and the dining table.
And use it to wipe the fridge.
Also use it to clean the carpet, wipe the wall, mop the floor, clean the shoes, and clean animal cages. It really is an all-purpose cleaner.
But sometimes life gets busy, or it is always very busy, and your cooker is just so greasy that you want to rush out and buy a bottle of degreaser. But hold on a second. Let's level up this bottle that you have just made.
I got a 600 ml of soap spray that we have just made. Now I just need to add a teaspoon of washing soda.
Washing soda is not baking soda. Washing soda is a stronger alkali than baking soda, and you cannot eat it. Alkali can clean oil by reacting with it. In fact, that is how soap is made. A lot of people use baking soda to clean, but in fact, it is not a very useful cleaning substance when it comes to cleaning. The biggest drawback is that baking soda doesn't dissolve well in the water.
When you stir the baking soda into water, it looks like it's all dissolved. But try to use this water to wipe a surface. The darker, the easier to see. After the water dries out, you will see a thin layer of white stuff. That's baking soda.
Washing soda, on the other hand, dissolves well. So now you can use the Soda&Soap spray to clean oily places or places that you have been neglecting for too long. A tip on scrubbing the glass surface and enamel surface is to use a copper scrubber instead of a steel scrubber, because copper is a soft metal that won't scratch your glasses and enamel if that's not too late for you yet. Now, if the soap cannot do laundry, it doesn't deserve to be called an all-purpose cleaner. Soap can do laundry because it washes off our sweat and our dead skin, which are bio-origin dirt. You can use soap on plant fiber, which are cotton, linen, bamboo, tencel. You shouldn't use soap on wool and silk. These animal fibers, they do not tolerate alkali.
I heard you say, what to do with my wool and silk and some synthetics that are quite delicate? A video of laundry is coming soon, so please bear with me.
To make the laundry soap, again, the easiest way is to use liquid soap. There's no making. You simply pour it in. But you will have to use a lot of plastic bottles and produce waste. Solid soap, on the other hand, do not have plastic bottles. So here I share with you the method of using solid soap.
We are going to make a 1-liter jar of laundry soap. Firstly, weigh 40 grams of grated soap or soap flakes. Secondly, melt them with boiling water. And finally, top up with cold water to 1 liter. That's it.
I have done the calculation. This 1-liter jar is around 50p. And you don't have artificial fragrance, optical brightness, or other synthetic surfactant that are all poisonous. In my laundry video, I'm also going to show you clothes whitening, stain removal, washing machine maintenance, and the myths of using baking soda in the laundry. So stay tuned! And finally, let's talk about dishwashing.
Soap is doing a brilliant job with hand washing, so definitely use it instead of the conventional washing up liquid.
I have done several experiments using soap in the dishwasher, but the results were always excessive soap scum left in the dishwasher and on the dish. So at the moment, I'm still using tablets buying from the shop, but I choose the tablets that has as little ingredients as it can be. The key ingredients are surfactants and sodium percarbonate. So if you're buying two, look out for them. So how many products are you able to swap? Let me know in the comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!